Hello students, I am going to revise chapter number 3rd, that is sine formula and cosine formula. Exercise 3.5, question number 10. Left hand side, according to the sine formula, A is equal to K sin A cos A, and according to the sine formula, what is the value of B? B, you know, K sin B cos B plus K sin C cos C, correct? Just put the value of small a, small b and small c according to the sine formula. Now take common K and multiply and divide by 2. 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin B cos B plus 2 sin C cos C. Firstly take common K, then multiply and divide by 2. You know that this is the formula 2 sin A cos A formula. Sin 2A plus this is the formula sin 2B, and this is also formula sin 2C, correct? A by 2. Now apply here formula sin x plus sin y. Apply here formula sin x plus sin y, you know. Sin x plus sin y formula, you know. 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. This is the formula of sin x plus sin y, correct? Apply here. So that is 2 sin A plus B and cos A minus B, and this sin 2C as it is. We will check again. Sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y according to this formula 2 sin x plus y divided by 2, 2a plus 2b divided by 2. After simplification, the angle is a plus b. X minus y divided by 2, a minus b. Clear? And you know that in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to 180. So from this relation, put the value of a plus b. Put the value of a plus b here. K by 2 twice sin 180 minus c cos a minus b plus sin 2c, correct? And you know that k by 2. Now again formula sin 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta, that is sin theta, 2 sin c, and cos a minus b plus, now put the value of sin 2c, formula sin 2c, 2 sin c cos c, correct? Now you can take common. This term is common. This term you can take common from the relation, that is k by 2. You can take common 2 sin c common. The remaining term is 2 sin c common, cos a minus b plus cos c k by 2, 2 to 2 cancel, correct? 2 to 2 cancel, k sin c cos a minus b plus. Now can you tell me what is the value of c from this relation? A plus b plus c is equal to 180. It means angle c is equal to 180 minus a plus b. So here you can write cos 180 minus a plus b, that is k sin c cos a minus b. Again here formula, because you know that cos 180 minus theta formula, cos 180 minus theta, you know, minus cos theta, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative. It is the case of 180, therefore t ratio not changed. You can write here cos a plus b, cos a plus b, k sin c. This is again formula, direct formula. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, direct formula, NCERT formula, direct. Can you tell me? This is the direct formula. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, direct formula. This is the formula of 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b, correct? Now arrange the term according to the situation. Right hand side you can write 2 k sin a sin b sin c according to the sine formula. What is the value of this? According to the sine formula, you know that k sin a is equal to small a, that is 2 small a sin b sin c. Right, this is the right hand side. Hence proved. Okay. According to the sine formula, a is equal to small a is equal to k sin a, and small b is equal to k sin b, and small c is equal to k sin c. Small a, small b, small c are the sides of the triangle. Okay. Very important question, 10th. Again, just revise. Just put the value of ABC here, k sin a, k sin b, k sin c. After that, take common k. Then multiply and divide by 2, multiply and divide by 2, and this is the formula sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c formula. Here apply formula sin x plus sin y. Apply this formula. Apply this formula here. So it becomes 2 sin a plus b, a minus cos a minus b. After that, put the value of a plus b. From here, what is the value of a plus b? 180 minus c, 180 minus c, and sin 180 minus c, that is sin c, sin c. And here again open the formula sin 2c, 2 sin c cos c. Now you can take common 2 sin c, 2 to 2 cancel, and after that the main point is put the value of c, put the value of c from here. What is the value of c? 180 minus a plus b. And you know that cos 180 minus theta is cos theta, and this is the direct formula. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, that is equal to 2 sin a sin b. Now arrange according to the right hand side, k sin a, and the k sin a is equal to a, that is right hand side. Clear? Now we solve question number 7. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is A cos C minus cos B is equal to twice B minus C into cos square A by 2. This is question number 7. Very important question. Now arrange the question like this. You can write B minus C by A, B minus C by A is equal to, that is cos C minus cos B upon twice cos square A by 2. Firstly write like this. You can arrange, because after simplification we can solve the question easily. Otherwise we can solve direct using cosine formula, but that is the lengthy method. Now left hand side, we solve left hand side, then right hand side. B minus C by 2 and A, and the right hand side is cos C minus cos B upon 2 cos square A by 2. According to the sine formula, can you tell me what is the value of B according to the sine formula? That is K sine B minus K sine C upon K sine A. Take common K sine B minus sine C upon K sine A. K to K cancel. K to K cancel. Correct. After that, apply formula. Sin B minus sin C. Sin B minus sin C. यानी कि sin X minus sin Y. Apply that formula. Apply this formula. Sin X minus sin Y. This is the formula 2 cos X plus Y by 2 and sin X minus Y by 2. Correct? Apply this formula here. 2 cos B plus C by 2 and sin here B minus C by 2 divided by sin A here. Clear? Now you can put the value of B plus C. You know that A plus B plus C is, A plus B plus C is, you know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Therefore 2 cos, you can write here 180 minus A by 2 sin B minus C by 2 upon sin A, and 2 after simplification 180 by 2 90, 90 minus A by 2, 90 minus A by 2, cos 90 minus A by 2 formula, cos 90 minus A by 2, that is sin A by 2 and here sin B minus C by 2 divided by, now put the formula of sin A, put the formula of sin A. Sin A, you know, firstly tell me what is sin 2A. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. According to that, sin A is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Cos a by 2. Now you know that this will cancel. Therefore, it will become sin b minus c by 2 and cos a by 2. This is left hand side. This is left hand side. Clear? Again you can check. Just put the value b, c and a according to the sine formula. According to the sine formula. Put the value of b here, put the value of c here, put the value of a here. I can take common a. Sin b minus sin c. Here you can apply formula sin x minus sin y. After applying formula, just put the value of b plus c. You know that a plus b plus c is 180. Then b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. Now break this 180 by 2, 90 minus a by 2. Cos 90 minus a by 2, that is sin a by 2. Clear? So now you can solve right hand side. This is left hand side. This is left hand side. Now we solve right hand side. This is left hand side. Right hand side. Cos c minus cos b upon 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2, correct? This is right hand side. Apply formula cos c minus cos b. Cos c minus cos b. Can you tell me? Cos x minus cos y formula. Cos x minus cos y. Formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. Apply this formula here. Minus 2 sin c plus b by 2 and sin c minus d by 2 divided by 2 cos square a by 2. Put it to cancel. Now put the value of b plus c. You know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Therefore b plus c 180 minus a upon 2 sin. You can take here minus common. You can write b minus c by 2 divided by cos square a by 2. Cos square a by 2. Now same case here. Sin 90 minus a, that is minus cos a by 2, and it become minus sin b minus c by 2 divided by cos square. You can write 2 times cos a by 2 into cos a by 2. This will cancel. Minus into minus plus sin b minus c by 2 upon cos a by 2. This is right hand side. That is equal to left hand side. You can see. You can check. Both are equal. Correct? Now your homework, revise chapter 3rd and try to solve this exercise. Okay? Thank you.